My dear friends, let's calculate exercise 4.2. Question first. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay. This is question first. Question first is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Now compare with the standard equation. We know that standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now compare is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 10. Now ac equal to 1 into 10 minus 10, so minus 10. Factorization, calculate factor. Okay, calculate 10 to 5. Okay, now b equal to minus 3. So factor, there are two factor, 2 and 5. Okay, so minus 3, b minus 3 comes if we take minus 5 and plus 2. So factor is minus 5 and plus 2. Now we can calculate. Okay, we put here x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, x is common, x minus 5 plus 2. If 2 is common, there is x minus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 5 into x plus 2 equal to 0. There are two factor of x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so x equal to 5 and x minus 2. There are two factor of x, 5 and minus 2. Okay, answer. Okay, second question is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now compare with the standard equation. A equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 6. Okay, now ac equal to 2 into minus 6 equal to minus 12. Okay, and b equal to 1. So factorization of 12 to 6. Okay, now again 2 3. Now factor is 2 to the 4 and 3 factor is now b equal to 1. So plus 4 minus 3 equal to 1 and ac minus 12, ac equal to minus 12. Okay, minus 12 means 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 12. Okay, both condition are satisfied, minus 12 and b equal to 1. So factor will be, the factor is factor of this equation 2x square plus 4x minus 3x. Okay, minus 6 equal to 0. Now 2x is common. Okay, x plus 2 minus 3 x plus 2 equal to 0. Now x plus 2, okay, now x plus 2 and x minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. There are two factors of x plus 2 or x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now x equal to minus 2 or 2x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 by 2. Okay, there are two factors of x minus 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, calculate question third. See, okay, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Okay, compare with standard equation. Now a equal to root 2 and b equal to 7 and c equal to 5 root 2. Now AC, what is AC? AC equal to root 2 and 5 root 2. Now, okay, root 2 multiplied by root 2, 2 into 5 equal to 10. Now factor of 10, 2, 5, okay. Now factor will be 5 and 2, okay. Now we can calculate here root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Okay, now x common, root 2 x plus 5 plus, if we take common root 2 is common. Now root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now root 2 x now root 2 x plus 5 and x plus root 2 equal to 0. There are two factors of x. Root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now root 2 x equal to minus 5 equal to x equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Okay, and if we take x plus root 2 equal to 0, now x equal to minus root 2. Hence there are two factors of x, minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, 2x square plus minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. First of all, we simplify of this equation in the standard form. Okay, now 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now simplify. Now compare with the standard equation. A equal to 16, b equal to minus 8 and c equal to 1. Now factor of this equation, ac equal to 16 into 1 equal to 16. Okay, factor of 16, 2, 8. Okay, 2, 4. Okay, now 4 into 4, there will be factor, but b equal to minus 8. Okay, so minus 4 equal to minus 8, so factor will be minus 4 and minus 4. Okay, we can write, now we can write above equation 16x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 4x is common, 4x. Now 4x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 equal to 0. There will be factor of x. 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now again 4x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so factor, hence the factor of x, factor of quadratic equation is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Answer. Okay, 5. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Now compare with standard equation. A equal to 100 and b equal to minus 20 and c equal to 1. Now factorization, ac equal to 100 into 1 equal to 100. Okay, factor of 100 will be now 10 into 10. Okay, b equal to minus 20. Okay, so minus 10 equal to minus 20. So factor is minus 10 and minus 10. We can write of the above equation 100x minus x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now take common is 10x. Now 10x minus 1 minus 1 Okay, 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, we can take here like we make same here. Okay, now 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equal to 0. There are two factor of quadratic equation. 10x, sorry, two factor of quadratic equation. There are two factor of quadratic equation. 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 10x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 10, and 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Now 10x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 10. There are two factor of this quadratic equation is 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. Answer. Now let's calculate question third. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Solution. Let first number is x and second number is 27 minus x, because first number and second number equal to 27, and let first number is x, then second number is, if we take here, then second number is 27 minus x. So we can write the second number is 27 minus x. Okay. Now, according to question, the product these numbers is 182. Okay. According to question, product of both numbers is 182. First number is x and second number is 27 minus x equal to 182. Okay. Now simplify 27x minus x square equal to 182. Okay. Now x square minus 27x minus 182 equal to 0, sorry, plus. Okay. Now compare with the standard equation. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 27 and c equal to 182. Okay. Then factorization of AC equal to 182. Okay. And factor of 182 to 9, 1, 7, 13, and there are two factors. Okay. uh, 14 and 13, but b is minus 27, so both are minus. Okay, these are factor. Okay, now we can write the above equation: x square minus 14x. Now we can write the above equation: x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Okay, now we can take common x. Okay, x minus 14 minus 13 equal to x minus 14 equal to 0. Now x minus 14 and x minus 13 equal to 0. There are two factors: x minus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. Then x equal to 14 and x equal to or x equal to 13. These are two numbers. Sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay. First and second number are 14 and 13 and 14. Okay. Answer. Now let's calculate question 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Solution. Okay. Let first positive integer x and second x plus 1. Okay. Now as per question, sum of whose square is 365. Okay, sum of whose square is, now according to question whose square means x square and x plus 1 square is 365. Okay, now x square plus, open the whole square. Okay, a plus b, x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 365. Okay, now again simplify. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equal to 0. Now we can divide of 2. Okay, we can divide by 2 for simplify again. Divide by 2. X square plus x minus 182, okay, equal to 0. Now compare with standard equation, okay, ax square plus bx plus c. Now a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 182, okay. Now factor of 182, 2, 9, 1, 7, 13 and b equal to 1, so factor is 14 and 13, so minus and plus, okay, so factor will be 14 and minus 13. We can write this equation: x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. Now x common, x plus 14 minus 13 x plus 14 equal to 0. The factors of x are x plus 14 and x minus 13 equal to 0 and x plus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0, okay. Now x plus 14 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 14. Consecutive numbers cannot be negative, so ignore because of negative, okay. Now x minus 13 equal to 0, so x equal to 13, okay. So first number is 13 and second number is, this is the first number, okay, and second number is x plus 1, okay. So 13 plus 1 equal to 14. So consecutive positive integers are 13 and 14, okay. Hence positive integers are 13 and 14, okay. Answer: the altitude of right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides, okay. Solution: let the base of right triangle equal to x, okay. Now as per question, given a right angle triangle x and altitude of right angle triangle 7 cm less than its base. If x is x and altitude is x minus 7, okay, centimeter, okay. Now hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, okay. So A, B, C, okay. Now altitude of right triangle is x minus 7, okay, and given hypotenuse 13 centimeter. Now from Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, okay. Now put value here. AC is 13 square, okay. AB is x square, BC is x minus 7 square, okay. Now simplify 169 equal to x square plus open the whole square of x minus 7, x square plus 49 minus 14x, okay, equal to 2x square plus 49 minus 14x minus 169, okay, equal to 0. Now two x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0, okay. Now divide by 3, divide by 2 for simplify again, divide by 2 above equation, okay. Now x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now compare with the standard quadratic equation. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 7 and C equal to minus 60, okay. AC equal to minus 60, okay. Now factorization of 60 to 30 to 15, now 3, 5, okay. Now factor will be 12 and 5, okay. B is minus 7, so minus 12 and plus 5, okay. These are the factor, okay. Now we can write the above equation. X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0, okay. Now x common, x minus 12 plus 5 x minus 12 equal to 0, okay. Now x minus 12 and x plus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now x equal to 12 and x equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is ignored because dimension cannot be in negative, ignore. Okay, so x equal to 12 means basis. Now altitude is x minus 7 means 12 minus 7 equal to 5 centimeter. Altitude is 5 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. The other two side is base is 12 centimeter, base is 12 centimeter. Okay, and altitude is 5 centimeter. Okay, means base 12 centimeter and altitude 5 centimeter. Answer. Okay, now calculate question 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each articles. Okay, solution. Let the number of articles produced be x. Okay, now the cost of each articles. Now as per question, each articles on that particular day as per question. Okay, was 2 more than the twice number of article produced. Okay, article produced is x, so 2x plus 3. Okay, as per question, 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Produce articles x means twice 2x plus 3. Then the total cost of the article. Now the total cost of the produce articles on that day is x into 2x plus 3. Okay, now according to the question, the given is total cost is 90, so x into 2x plus 3 equal to 90 from the question. Okay, now simplify. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Okay, so compare with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and C equal to minus 90. Now AC equal to 2 into minus 90, okay, 180, okay, factor of 180 to 90, okay, to 45, 3, 15. Now factor will be B equal to 3, so factor 15 and minus 12, okay, these are the factor, okay. We can write this equation. We can write this equation to x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. So x is common, 2x plus 15 minus 6, okay, 2x minus 2 plus 15 equal to 0. 2x plus 15 and x minus 6 equal to 0, and 2x plus 15 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Now x equal to minus 15 by 2, okay. Now x equal to 6, okay. Now ignore because it is negative, okay. So x, the number of articles is 6, okay. Now the number of articles is 6, okay. The total cost of each articles on that day, okay, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 need 2x plus 3, okay, means 2 into 6 plus 3 equal to 15 rupees, okay, means rupees 15 answer, okay.